So we're at the Great Exhibition Road Festival today.
There's just such a lot to do, so many different things, and all the practical hands-on things for the kids to get them interested in STEM.
So they have like a wide range for like all ages really.
There was people with like fossils and like arts and crafts, and there was a performance there, and it's just a nice energy to kind of be around.
So it's fantastic. It's a great day out for the family. The food's really good. The science side of the exhibition is fantastic. So we really enjoy it.
It's very engaging. There's a lot to do. There's a lot that you can get involved in. Plus, it's in a beautiful setting.
You should definitely come and see what's going on here. It's so colorful and everything is, I think, amazing.
And we were saying before, like, it's so nice to see like so many people getting stuck in and learning stuff, and I was like, oh, it's just a nice atmosphere.
I think fun for everyone. Yeah, and especially she learned a lot, and I also learn a lot.
Every year there's different things to do.
Like there's loads of stuff, like the silent disco looks really cool, and the bungee run, the gut thing. I really want to do that. And like I know that's really aimed at kids, but I'm like, yeah, adults are welcome too, so we're going to go and frolic around in there.
And also the people, the way everyone's explained what they're doing so well, and they made you understand it and draw you in. That's been really engaging, especially with my children. They absolutely love it.
Last year was our first year, so we looked into it, and we didn't know if it was going to be good or bad, so we came and we really loved it. And this year we made sure that we were not doing anything, we were coming here. And it's a fantastic place for them to explore and investigate and make things and listen to a lot of science facts.
Yeah, I think it's great just to get around and like try new things and play and learn stuff, and like I don't think there's enough activities out there for people like our age to like, just come and be a bit creative and learn stuff. So yeah, like definitely come. And also it's free, so like you don't even have to like come. I would say.
Oh, I definitely think so. Yeah, I definitely think you have to. My children was like so much to do.
And it's a perfect day to spend time with your family.
Oh. This is our second year coming, and we will definitely come again, and we would very much recommend anyone with, well, even without kids. It's lots of fun for adults too.